In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in AWS Athena. Whether you're just starting out with AWS or looking to expand your data capabilities, this tutorial will guide you through the process, step by step, ensuring you can easily set up your first database in Athena. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. Once you're on your browser's homepage, you'll need to type AWS into the search bar and hit Enter. This step takes you to the Amazon Web Services homepage, a critical hub where all your AWS adventures begin. Now, it's time to log into your AWS account. Ensure you have your credentials handy, your username and password, to access your account seamlessly. Upon logging into your AWS account, you will arrive at the AWS Management Console. Here, you should locate the search bar typically found at the top of the page. Enter Athena in this search bar and press Enter. Doing this will direct you to the Athena console. Athena is a powerful tool that allows you to query data directly from Amazon S3 using standard SQL. It's essential for handling large data sets efficiently. Before diving into creating a database, there's an important setup step to complete. Athena requires a specified Amazon S3 bucket to store any query results. This is crucial because Athena operates by querying data and storing results, which you can access later. Navigate to the Athena settings in the console and specify an S3 bucket for this purpose. If you don't have an S3 bucket already set up, you'll need to create one, ensuring it has the proper permissions for Athena to read and write data. Now that we've set the groundwork, it's time to move to the Query Editor tab within the Athena console. The Query Editor is where the magic happens, allowing you to write and run SQL commands. Here, you'll need to enter a SQL command to create your database. Type in the command, create database your database name, replacing your database name with the actual name you wish to give your database. This name should be meaningful and descriptive, making it easy to identify later on. Once your command is typed and double-checked for accuracy, locate the Run Query button in the editor interface. Clicking this button will execute your command. If all goes well, Athena will confirm the creation of your new database, and you'll have successfully set up your first database in AWS Athena. Creating a database in Athena is a straightforward process that enhances your ability to manage and query vast amounts of data efficiently. With these steps completed, you're well on your way to leveraging AWS Athena for your data analytics needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your database set up in Athena.